Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. I hope you're ready for some kindergarten math. As usual, you are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil so you can problem solve alongside me. Let's get ready. Kindergarten, today during our math lesson, you are going to practice taking apart 10 and writing a matching equation. Kindergarten, our job today is to use our picture to complete a matching equation. We want to find the two parts in this picture that help to make 10. Our magic number this week has been what number, kindergarten? 10. How many sailboats do you think there are all together in this picture, kindergarten? You got it again, kindergarten. Thumbs up. 10. But it's so messy. It needs to be organized, kindergarten. How do you think it should be organized? Why, in a 5 group of 10, of course. If we organize our picture in a 5 group of 10, it will be much easier to find the two parts that will make 10. And then we can fill out our number equation underneath here. So look closely, kindergarten. Do you see two number parts that will make 10? Look in the circle. How many sailboats do you see? And look outside of the circle. How many sailboats do you see? Now, kindergarten, it's your turn to take your pencil, your piece of paper, and first you're going to organize 10 circles in a 5 group of 10. And then you're going to circle one of your parts just like it's circled here and complete your equation. Are you ready? Go. Kindergarten, kiss your brain if you organize your 5 group of 10 with 5 on top and 5 at the bottom. Nice job. Now let's count to confirm. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 sailboats all together. Now we need to make sure that we can find the two number parts that make 10 in this picture. Inside of our circle, we have how many sailboats, kindergarten? 5, and we almost don't need to count, but we can check just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that in a 5 group of 10, you have 5 on top and 5 at the bottom. So how many circles are at the bottom, kindergarten? That's right, 5. We know that our two parts that make 10 are 5 and 5. So now we're ready to write the number sentence. Part plus part equals the whole. One of our parts is 5. Goes in the parts, plus our other part, another 5 sailboats. 5 plus 5 equals the whole. There are 10 sailboats all together. Nice work, kindergarten. Are you ready for another? I think you are. Let's try. Kindergarten, remember our job today is to use our picture to write a matching equation. An equation has a whole and it has two parts in it. So we need to be able to find the whole in this picture and the two parts. Do you see two number parts? It's kind of hard, right? Why do you think it's so hard, kindergarten? You guessed it. Because it's not in an organized 5 group of 10. So we need to organize these cars in a 5 group of 10. That will help us to identify our two parts clearly so that we can finish this equation. Now this equation looks a little bit different than our last one because it starts whole equals part plus part. We know what the whole is already, right, kindergarten? What's the whole going to be? Ah, kiss your brain, kindergarten. You're so on top of things. Yes, our whole is going to be 10. That means there are a total of 10 cars in this picture. Now we want to be able to find the two parts. Your job next is to organize your picture into a 5 group of 10 and finish the equation. Ready? Go. Kindergarten, is your picture organized in a 5 group of 10 with 5 on top and 5 at the bottom? Nice work. Remember, we were identifying our two parts in this picture. One of our parts was circled. How many cars are inside of the circle, kindergarten? That's right. 3 cars were circled. How many cars are outside of the circle, kindergarten? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've identified our two number parts that make 10. 3 cars that are circled and 7 cars outside of the circle. Now we're ready to write an equation. Remember, we're starting with the whole equals part plus part. The whole is 10 cars altogether equals 3 cars in the circle plus 7 cars outside of the circle. Nice work, kindergarten. Let's do one more before you start your packet work. Kindergarten, you're so smart. I bet you know exactly what to do. Organize your picture in a 5 group of 10. Write a matching equation. Make sure you pay attention to how your number sentence is written. Part plus part equals whole. Look closely at your picture. Find your parts. One part circled, other part of the picture is not. Are you ready? Go ahead and draw your 5 group of 10 and write an equation for this picture, kindergarten. Kindergarten, did you draw your picture in a 5 group of 10? Nice work. So you have 5 on top and 5 at the bottom, and all together we know that we have 10 trains. Next, we needed to identify our parts. We identify our parts by making a circle around how many trains, kindergarten. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should have circled 8 trains, and how many are outside of the circle? 2. There's our other part. 8 trains in the circle plus 2 trains outside of the circle make how many trains all together, kindergarten? You got it, 10 trains. Nice work, kindergarten. You did an absolutely phenomenal job of taking apart 10 and writing a matching number sentence. Now it's time for your work in your assignment packet. Please take out your next assignment and get started. Kindergarten, I know you got this. Your job for this math assignment is to circle apart and make an equation, just like we practiced. I know you're going to do great. Kindergarten, I want you to have an awesome day, have some fun in the sun, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.